Hello everyone. So before we actually implement our intervention, we need to make sure that there are some things in place before. One of the first things is we want to make sure, one, that the device is in front of the student and is accessible. If the student has to reach for it, they're less likely to use it. So we need to make sure that it's directly in front of them where they can use it. Also, we want to make sure that our proper tabs or visuals that we are going to be using are easily accessible as well. We need to remember that Dexter is still learning how to use his device, so we want to make sure that the ones that we're going to be using are right there in front of him. So we're using a lot: people, question, actions, places, and describing. Okay, so we want to make sure these are in his home page, as well as some of his core words that you can see. And then again, just a reminder that when we ask the question, our SD, we want to make sure that we are also waiting 5 seconds after before presenting the controlling prompt. Okay. All right. So first, after watching the CNN 10 segment, you will ask Dexter, "Can you tell me who the news is about?" That's 5 seconds. And then if Dexter has not pressed any of his tabs, you will then touch people. And the answer is
farmer.
Farmer. And you could say, "The news is about the farmer." And then click back onto his homepage and allow Dexter the opportunity to mimic, okay, what exactly you did. Then you would record. So in this instance, Dexter did it after the prompt. And so you would record that onto your document. And then you would go ahead with the next question. Where did the news take place? Again, I waited 5 seconds. Dexter has not chosen an answer, and so that we will model or prompt him. Press places.
Farm.
The news was about the farm. That's where it took place today. And then the last question, again, giving 5 seconds. How do you feel about the news? And here, before 5 seconds or the prompt, Dexter is choosing his answer.
Angry.
Great job, Dexter. We want to make sure that we give him that verbal praise if he is doing it before we prompt him. And again, make sure that you record that the last question was completed or responded to before the prompt.